Okay, so meme coins, right? You know them, you love them, or maybe you love to hate them. Dogecoin, Shiba Inu, all that talk about a wild ride.
Yeah, definitely.
But today we're going deep on one that you specifically wanted to know more about, Cat's Coin.
All right.
Now it's got that classic meme coin energy, big, bold, and well, let's be honest, a little unpredictable.
Yeah.
But there's also this whole like gamified community thing happening on Telegram, which is, I gotta say, pretty unique.
Yeah, it's very interesting.
So is this just another flash in the pan, or is Cat's Coin actually onto something?
Mm.
Could this be the future of meme coins?
Mm.
Time to find out, right?
Yep. To start, maybe like what even IS Cat's Coin? Like, what's the deal?
Yeah, great question.
Because it is kind of tied to this whole online platform, right? It's all about cats, videos, memes, the works, classic internet cat stuff.
Makes sense?
But they're also riding that whole wave of theme tokens, which is smart.
Yeah.
But then they've got this whole system on Telegram where you can earn cats tokens just by participating.
Wait, hold on. So you're telling me I can get crypto just by hanging out in their Telegram group?
Yep. Like the longer you're a member, the more you chat, the more active you are, they reward you for it.
Wow, that's kind of brilliant.
Right. And if you have Telegram Premium, you actually get even more.
Oh, wow.
Yeah. So they're really incentivizing people to be part of the community from the get-go.
Makes sense. Build that loyal base early.
Exactly.
So that's the community angle. But what about the token itself? Like, what are we looking at here, numbers-wise?
All right, so get this. 600 billion C-test tokens in circulation. That's a lot of cats.
600 billion. Whoa, that's a big number.
Yeah, it's massive.
Okay, so with all those tokens floating around, the price per token is probably pretty low, huh?
Yep, you're right. As of right now, it's sitting at about $0.000004939.
So basically worthless.
Well, not necessarily. We
Okay.
got to look at market cap, right? So even though the individual price is low, when you take all those tokens together, the total value is about $28.90 million.
So there's actual money behind it.
Yeah, absolutely. I mean, that shows there's real interest, real potential there.
Yeah. It's like, even though each grain of sand is tiny, a whole
Yeah.
beach is still valuable, right?
Perfect analogy.
So potential, check. But we got to remember, this is meme coin territory.
Uh-huh.
We're talking volatility central. Big swings are just part of the game.
Exactly. It comes with the territory.
So yeah, low price might seem tempting, but got to be mindful of the risk for sure.
Definitely. Big risk, big reward, right?
Exactly.
Speaking of big swings, we got to talk about this recent price surge.
Yeah. The 60.11% jump in a day is pretty impressive.
It's huge.
What's driving that, do you think?
Well, if you look at the trading volume, that tells the story.
Oh, yeah.
It jumped to like $10.93 million in just 24 hours.
Wow.
Yeah, a 229% increase. So something's definitely got people fired up.
Makes sense.
Could be a new partnership, a viral tweet, who knows? But that kind of momentum is definitely worth paying attention to.
Yeah, it's like just a few days ago, on November 4th, it was at a low of, what, 0.00006649.
Yeah, right around there.
And now, boom, 60% jump. That's wild.
Meme coins, man. Unpredictable, but that's what makes them so exciting, right?
True. It's like a roller coaster.
It really is. And speaking of the future, we saw that 74% of investors are actually bullish on cats.
Oh, interesting.
Yeah, so even beyond this recent pump, there's a lot of optimism out there. What do you think's driving that?
Well, I mean, that price surge definitely plays a role, right? But I think it goes deeper than that.
Mm-hmm.
Remember that whole community engagement thing we talked about?
Yeah.
I think that's huge. People like being part of something, having a sense of ownership.
Absolutely.
Especially in the crypto world, where it can feel kind of, anonymous and impersonal sometimes.
Yeah. It's like you're not just investing, you're joining a club almost.
Right, exactly. So for anyone listening who's thinking, okay, I'm in, where do I get me some cats?
So,
Where do they go?
all right, so if you're serious about getting in, the main exchanges are going to be your best bet. Bybit has the highest volume and liquidity right now, which is always a good sign.
Makes sense.
BitGet is another popular choice. And of course, you've got the big ones, KuCoin, Gate.io, MEXC, all solid options.
Solid lineup. And for the more adventurous traders out there, the ones who like to explore the less traveled paths.
Well, for those folks, there are some smaller exchanges too, like Hotcoin, CoinX, BitTrue.
Ah, okay. A little more off the beaten path.
Yeah, exactly. But, always do your research before jumping into anything too obscure.
Absolutely. Okay, so before we wrap things up, we got to talk about responsible investing, right? Because meme coins, as fun as they are
Yeah.
risky.
Yeah.
Super risky.
Super, super risky.
It's easy to get caught up in the hype, but it's important to really understand what you're getting into.
Absolutely. Remember, meme coins, they're driven by hype, by social media, by community sentiment. One tweet can send the price skyrocketing or plummeting.
Yeah, yeah. It's a wild ride.
And cats is no exception to that.
Right. And all that stuff about earning rewards on Telegram, it sounds amazing.
Oh, yeah.
But it's not just free money, right?
No, no, no. It takes effort.
Yeah.
You got to understand the system. You got to participate actively.
It's like a game, almost. You got to know the rules if you want to win.
Exactly. It's not just about showing up. It's about playing smart.
So it all comes back to community, right? The stronger the community, the stronger the coin.
Exactly. That's what drives the value of themed cryptos, like cats.
It's that shared belief, that shared excitement. It's powerful stuff.
Yeah, it really is.
So for everyone listening out there, here's the big question. With all this buzz around cats, is it just a fad? Or is there something more here? Something with real staying power?
It's a good question.
Could this whole community-driven approach be the key to its success in the long run?
It's possible. I mean, it's definitely a new approach, and it seems to be working so far.
Yeah, yeah. Time will tell, I guess.
Exactly.
That's the beauty of it, right? It's all still unfolding.
Definitely keeps things interesting.
That's for sure. So for you listening, this is just the beginning. Keep exploring, keep learning, and always, always do your own research.
Couldn't have said it better myself.
The world of meme coins is wild, unpredictable, and, let's be honest, a little bit crazy.
Yeah.
But hey, that's what makes it so much fun, right?
Absolutely. That's why we're here.
Exactly. So keep your eyes on Cat's coin. Who knows? Maybe this kitty's got claws.
Maybe it does. We'll have to wait and see.
Exactly. All right, that's it for this deep dive. Thanks for listening.
Thanks, everyone.
We'll catch you next time.
See ya.